पूछा गया है पार्टिकल इज प्रोजेक्टेड मेकिंग एन एंगल 45 डिग्री विद हॉरिजॉन्टल। मतलब एक प्रोजेक्टाइल को थ्रो किया गया है with an angle 45 degree. Okay, so this is the angle, this is theta 45 degree. So theta has been given as 45 degree with the horizontal having kinetic energy is k. So initial kinetic energy is given as k. Okay, so as we know that formula of k equal to half m and initial velocity. Okay, okay, so that is u square. So now it will travel like this pathway. Okay, and again strike the ground. सो अब पूछा गया था काइनेटिक एनर्जी एट हाईएस्ट पॉइंट। सो जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट होगा मतलब एट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट एच मैक्स कितना काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगा। तो एट हाईएस्ट पॉइंट में काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितना होगा। सो जब पीछे से जब ग्राउंड से जब थ्रो किया गया है, सो एज वी नो दैट in projectile motion there is two component. Okay, one is vertical and another is horizontal. So vertical component will be if it is projected with initial speed u, so this will be u sin theta and this will be u cos theta. Okay, so theta has been given as 45 degree. So ये जो horizontal component है ना, this horizontal component remain unchanged throughout this trajectory. मतलब at this direction this is u cos theta, at this direction this is u cos theta. Okay, highest point में भी इस direction में भी. So this the horizontal component that is u cos theta remain unchanged because जो g जो gravity act कर रहा है वो act कर रहा है vertical में. Okay, not in horizontal direction. So because g is always acting in downward direction in vertical. Okay, but it is not acting in horizontal direction. So u sin theta will be changed but u cos theta will not be changed. So if we put the this component at this point, okay, at this point p, so this point p, the final kinetic energy will be half m and u. What is the u here? U is here the horizontal component, that is u cos theta. Okay, so this whole square. So let's simplify this. अगर हम लोग इसको simplify करते हैं, so that will be kf will be final kinetic energy will be half m v square, that will be u square cos square theta. Theta will be here given as 45 degree. Okay, so half m u square, what is the value of cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, so this part will be the whole square, so this will be half m u square 1 by 2. Okay, so what it will be, so our the final kinetic energy is 1 by 4, sorry not. So अब हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा ऑप्शन क्या है। ऑप्शन इधर दिया गया है k by 2, k by 3, k by root 2 and root over k by 2. So if we rearrange this, that it this part हम लोग को जो पहले कहा था that नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या जानते हैं, इनिशियल जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी है दैट इज हाफ एम यू स्क्वायर. ओके, so if we replace this part as k, so this will be k by half, so final kinetic energy will be k by half. Okay, so this was this solution.